Tell them walk one block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related content, and if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe. So this is my first video of 2021. Happy New Year to you guys. I know it's a bit late in the month, but regardless, Happy New Year. And I hope this year means consistency for me, because I actually really do miss YouTube. So anyway, moving forward. Today I'm going to be trying the Huda Beauty powder and comparing it to the Beauty Bakerie flour powder. I love both of these. This was my number one for the longest time. It still is, but this became a strong contender. So I wanted to compare the two and see which one was really just gonna win out in the end. I know that there was some controversy with these powders when they first came out, but this is not about the controversy, this is purely about the products. As much as Huda Beauty is my fave, I do like the fact that Beauty Bakerie is a black owned brand, and I love the fact that it is like fighting with the big ones. So I just want to see which one is going to win out in the end. So right now I have the Huda Beauty on one side of my face and the Beauty Bakerie on another side of my face. So do you guys know which is which? Does any look better to you guys? And if you really want to know which one is better or which one wins out in the end, please keep on watching. So the moment of truth is here. I'm quite excited. My concealer is on and I'm about to set my under eyes. I think on this side I will use the Beauty Bakerie, and on this side I will use the Huda Beauty. I'm going to use these sponges. They are the exact same sponge, but obviously two different sponges. And let's just see. So they're both damp. Just gonna press my under eyes. I'm just gonna make sure there's no creases in my under eyes, and let's do it. So I generally don't bake, I just press the powder into my under eyes, and you can already see how flawless that is looking. Let me zoom you in a little bit more. I think that's a little bit better, I'm not sure, just so you can see what it's saying. Look how flawless that is. Stunning. They look quite similar, but I think the Huda Beauty is winning a little bit. I'm in shock. But let me finish the rest of my face and then I'll let you know. I'm just gonna use either or for like anywhere else in my face, but for both sides you can see this is the Beauty Bakerie and this is the Huda Beauty. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'm gonna come back and let you know what everything is saying. So I am back, my makeup is completed, and both under eyes are looking flawless. Like they are both looking pristine. So just to remind you, this is the Beauty Bakerie side and this is the Huda Beauty side. To be honest, I don't really see much of a difference with both sides. They both look upper echelon, upper tier. These are the powders, like these are my top two. I'm really trying to scrutinize them and see what's what, but they both just look flawless. At first I was thinking that the Huda Beauty side looked a bit, you know, a bit more perfect, but I think they both look quite good. I don't know. They both just look amazing. I guess it just comes down to personal preference. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more just so you can see for yourselves. And you can also tell me what you think. Which side do you think looks better? Beauty Bakerie or Huda Beauty? Now that I'm looking at it and everything is settling in, I feel like the Beauty Bakerie might be settling in a little better, but I don't know, it's really hard to say. It's extremely hard to say. Let me just zoom you in. Beauty Bakerie side, the beauty side, what do you think? So all in all, I will continue to use both of these powders. Both of these powders perform exceptionally. So I think there's not much difference. It just depends on which one I reach for, because they both just give what needs to be given. They both just, you know, do what needs to be done. I really like both. I really like both, and I really don't know what to say. I was hoping that this would give me more of an insight as to which one is my favorite, because as I say, Huda Beauty is my favorite powder, like hands down, but Beauty Bakerie was just a contender. So I was just trying to know which one would win in a head-to-head match, and they are both, you know, holding their own. They both look quite good. It makes me feel like this video is a little bit pointless, but this video was both for me and for you, and maybe when I'm editing it I will see a bit more of how I feel about this, because I don't know, both sides just, they're giving, they're holding their own. But anyway, that is it for today's video. Please let me know what you think down in the comments, and I hope to see